Good day everyone, I'm Christian Glenn M. Galedo and I'm here to present the influence of Filipino values on business ethics and practices. Business scenarios reflecting Filipino values. A local retail store emphasizes utang na loob, debt, gratitude by prioritizing loyal customers and operating personalized discount while it builds strong customer loyalty and may also lead to favoritism and inconsistencies in policies. In a startup, tech from employees show pakikisama or harmony by maintaining positive work environment. Conflict are avoided to keep everyone satisfied. It boosts morale but may delay addressing workplace issues. A cooperative applies bayanihan or community spirit during harvest season, where members pool resources and labor to achieve goals, strengthens teamwork and productivity, but may cause dependency on collective efforts without individual accountability. Importance of understanding Filipino values in business ethics. Cultural Filipino values reflect deep-rooted beliefs and tradition. Understanding this ensures business operate ethical and gain to community's trust. Ethical decision making. For instance, hiya or sense of shame prevent action that may damage to companies or individuals' reputation aligned aligned with ethical standards. Community and stakeholder relationship. Respecting values like utang na loob creates a strong ties with stakeholders and employees, ensuring long-term partnership. Global competitiveness. Filipino companies thus integrate culture with modern practices at attract internal business due to adaptability and ethical grounding. Pros and cons of observing Filipino values. Pakikisama. Encourage teamwork and harmony. May lead to avoidance of tough decision. Hiya. Builds sensitivity, others' feeling. Limits open communication, delaying resolution. Bayanihan. Promotes a strong sense of community. Risk uneven workload distribution. Filipino values play a vital role in shaping ethical business practices. Entrepreneurs must embrace this cultural strength while addressing challenges through balanced professional approach. By doing so, business can thrive both locally and globally. Thank you for listening.